I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
We traded our 2009 Mazda 3 for this car. It's definitely been a lot of fun, but it's needed some work. Since we've had it, we knew that the headlight mounting bracket was broken, and I really thought I was going to be able to fix it. But frustratingly enough, it was broken to a whole bunch of pieces. Some of them were missing, so epoxying it was kind of out of the picture. About a week ago, I took the bumper off as well as the headlight to see how hard it was going to be to fix it. And it was pretty clear that it was going to be pretty challenging. This was the part that was broken. And as you can see, it unbolts. And in that case, I was thinking I was going to be able to replace it very easily and cost effectively. I tracked down some lights that looked just like this, contacted the company on Amazon or eBay, both of them actually, and they said they would not sell me just the brackets. So here we are, $145 later. I only needed the mounting brackets, but they made me get a whole new set, and honestly, I'm not regretting it too much. I think these are going to be even brighter due to the fact that they aren't tinted and of course that they're new. They might even make the car pop just a little bit more. One thing that I did make sure to do is to get the same model of aftermarket headlights. They look a little bit different because they aren't the smoked ones, but they have the same mounting bracket style as the other one. This means that I have two sets of headlights that'll be able to run with the car. If I want to swap them, I just have to swap out the mounting bracket as well, but that's okay. They're all bolted in. Let's check them before we put the bumper on. Looks like they're working to me. I had some aftermarket fog lights that came with the car, and I figured what better time to replace them than right now. New one looks a lot nicer to me. New tires, finally. Haven't even been able to take this thing on a test drive since I replaced the suspension because the tires are so dang bald. If you want to see that, check out the last video on this. Yeah, that is some bald tire. I'll link it right up here. The tires I ordered on Amazon, getting those put on tomorrow as well as alignment. But about the headlights. These are the old ones, definitely gonna keep these around because I think they'll clean up nicely, and those are the tinted ones. If somebody buys it, they might wanna put those back in, but definitely I'm happy with the new ones. If you want to see a video of me taking these old rusty coilover setup out of here and putting it back to stock, check that out. It's also in the last video. I'm gonna go throw these away now. The only thing that we have left to do is detail it and try to get rid of the faggot fart smell out of here. It is Saturday morning. We're going to Les Schwab to drop off the car. They said if we get it there in the morning, they hopefully will be able to fit it in. So hopefully it'll be done by tonight. This is the first time I've gotten to test drive it since I did the struts. I'm looking forward to getting this alignment done so I don't have to worry about it, but don't hear anything or feel anything that seems off. Charlie should be right behind me. They said that it's going to be done at 1 o'clock, which is fine with me, or the appointment is at 1 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, we're going back to pick up the Charger. Just got done sparring at a new MMA gym in town, and that was good. Microphone test. Oh, I'm gonna turn off the music. We are finally back in the Charger. I see my beautiful wife back there. People really can't drive here. I don't know what it is, but hopefully you can hear me on this microphone. See ya.